front of me is OPPO Reno15 FS, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. First of all, go into Settings and tap on Device Connect option available here. Now scroll a tiny bit to select Print and either hit Default Print Service or download any other one you wanna use. Don't worry, they all turn on the same way, so click on yours and make sure this switcher is blue. Then wait. Your device is now looking for a printer, and when it finds one, it will connect to it, just like in my case. If you still can't connect though, enable print service and wait for plus icon to show at the top right corner. Then click on it and tap on Search for Wi-Fi Direct Printers if your printer supports this option. Tap on Allow, then go Enable Location thanks to Gray switcher and go back. Then click on Search for Wi-Fi Direct Printers again and wait for your OPPO to find yours. If you want to, you can also click on Search by IP address, import it here and connect manually by tapping on Add. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!